Hello everybody, how are you doing? This video is going to be very interesting because in this video I'm going to tell you about top 10 emerging jobs in Canada in the year 2019. These jobs are not the conventional ones which you hear quite often, like the software engineer or the HR manager or the administrative assistant. No, these jobs would be very different, and these are the emerging jobs which can have a blast in 2019. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Hello everybody, I am Shitanshu from Dream Abroad. I regularly upload videos for Canadian immigration and Canadian lifestyle. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please consider subscribing and pressing the bell icon so that you can get the notifications whenever I upload a new video. And now you can follow me on Instagram as well. My Insta handle is dreamabroad.mylife. Okay, before I start with this video, let me quickly tell you about three other videos which are quite related to this one that I uploaded recently. The first one is the top 15 in-demand jobs in Canada in 2019. It's the very conventional one, the regular jobs, which are the top 15 in-demand jobs. The second one was about the IT jobs, the in-demand technologies and certifications that can give your IT career a head start in Canada in this year. And the third one was the top 10 Canadian cities for tech jobs. You get to know the average salaries and the cost of living index. So if you want to check these videos out, I'll provide the links in the description box below. Okay, so let me tell you that the statistics and the data shared in this video has been taken from the annual study conducted by the human resource company Randstad Canada. Okay, so the very first unconventional and emerging job in Canada is the blockchain developer. Unless you have been living under a rock, you have probably heard of blockchain, the technology that underpins popular cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. Though most closely associated with cryptocurrencies, blockchain actually has many other applications. It's a chronological ledger of records. New data is added to the end of a chain rather than writing over old data. That makes it difficult, if not impossible, to alter. As a result, blockchain is known for being extremely secure. As more companies turn to blockchain for its secure nature, expect the need for blockchain developers to grow too. The next one is automation engineer. Over the last year, discussion surrounding automation and its impact on jobs has ramped up. Robots and autonomous technology seem to be the subject of every second headline. If you're wondering who's behind all these technologies, let me introduce you to automation engineers. Though automation engineers can be responsible for a diverse array of automated processes, they're actually most in demand in the manufacturing sector, where they design machinery to aid and streamline production. As automation engineers develop machines that can complete more human-like motions, people will shift away from low-skill, menial jobs towards more knowledge-based jobs. The next one is AI researcher. As artificial intelligence becomes more mainstream and seeps into more aspects of our lives, the study and creation of artificial intelligence systems has become huge business. AI researchers typically have a background in software engineering and are tasked with building AI that completes specific task or process. There's more than just coding and algorithms involved though. AI researchers methodically test their AI using real-world inputs, analyze results, tweak and adjust, build iterations, and prepare academic research on their findings. As more companies tap into the growing potential of AI, expect this profession to explode in 2019. Okay, the next one is Chief Experience Officer. The growing reliance on e-commerce sales has led organizations to closely scrutinize their online presence and customer journey. From building a cohesive, smooth checkout process to engaging customers with infotainment to managing their organization's reputation on review sites and social media, chief experience officers live and breathe the customer experience. The next one is live chat agent. Companies are realizing that one of their most lucrative demographies, the Under 40 millennial and Gen Z generations prefer text-based communications over picking up a phone. That's led to live chat options popping up on most of the e-commerce sites. Though AI tools are being developed to manage these chats, at the moment there's no replacement for a live human. If you're a strong written communicator and an excellent typist and value a customer centric approach, live chat is the future of customer service. Okay, the next one is DevOps engineer. DevOps is one of the more established roles on this list, but it's exploding in popularity in 2019. With more dev teams adopting the agile methodology and working on short development cycles, DevOps engineers play a crucial role in bridging the gap between software development and deployment. Their expertise covers traditional dev tasks such as scripting and coding, as well as operational and project management tasks such as testing and software deployment, making them invaluable on compact teams. Next one in the list is environmental engineer. Environmental engineers develop solutions to counter the environmental problems. From improving waste management processes to engineering renewable energy solutions to keeping our water drinkable and air clean to ensuring soil remains fertile to grow essential crops humans rely on. Environmental engineers keep our world healthy. As we rush against the clock to stop climate change, environmental engineers will be front and center. Next one, cybersecurity specialist. Last year, we were bombarded with one data leak and privacy scandal after another. Companies are quaking in their boots at the thought of being next. Cybersecurity is being ramped up at companies across the globe as they endeavor to stay one step ahead of hackers and security threats. As our lives and information migrate online, we rely on the expertise of cybersecurity specialists to keep the massive amounts of information we share safe. Expect this profession to grow leaps and bounds in 2019. Next one on the list is data scientist. Not only are businesses collecting more information about us, they are meticulously combing through it to build profiles and make predictions about consumers and market patterns. Data scientists parse complex data, distilling it down to key findings that will help their organization make smarter decisions and drive growth. Machine learning, or building computer systems that are self improving, is the future of this profession. Though data science has been around for a while, machine learning is a coveted skill among employers. The last but not the least, 3D architect. 3D architects or 3D modelers use computer aided design software to create models of buildings, structures, and even entire communities. These models test the structural integrity of potential buildings and shape the design aesthetic. As urban centers rapidly expand, 3D modeling will play an important role in strategically building out our communities and urban planning. So, this was the list of 10 unconventional and emerging jobs in Canada in this year 2019. These jobs are expected to explode in 2019, and if you have experience in one of these jobs, it will guarantee you a job in Canada and a great career growth ahead. So thank you guys for watching this video. I just hope that you like the content shared in this video. If you feel it was informative enough and it has helped you in one way or the other, please click the like button and share it with your friends. It can be helpful for them as well. Also, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please consider subscribing before moving on to the next video. Thanks again.